This is a self-appreciation exercise, which I've adapted. It will help you build self-appreciation and in turn self-confidence. Now, like a lot of these techniques, you'll find it easier to do this with your eyes closed. So please make sure that you're in a place where it's safe to close your eyes, and also where you can have a few minutes to yourself. Now, if we were doing this face-to-face in a session or by Skype in a session, I would ask you to nod to indicate to me when you're ready to move on to the next step. But since that's not possible in this context, I've left pauses of a few seconds between each step. I've left the usual amount of time that my clients generally take. Now, if you haven't finished and you need a bit more time, it doesn't matter. First time, just move on to the next step when I do. As you get used to the exercise, perhaps you'll want to press pause on the video, take a little bit more time, or maybe you'll simply do the whole exercise on your own from memory. It's just a short exercise.